Hello guys, so in this lecture and tutorial we will see how to install an SSL certificate that you can buy from Nginx. So if you go to security and SSL certificates, you can see all kinds of certificates, so it depends on the one that you want to install. I will recommend for a single domain positive SSL, so that's the one I'm gonna get, and I'm just going to for 1 year $8. So I'm going to click on confirm order and then check out with PayPal, and here we go. We have SSL certificate ready. We click manage, we click on activate, and now we need to generate an CSR code. This website that I posted in the description below, but this is for Windows. We go down here and just get the MSI of the light version and just install it. And if you installed it, you should be able to. I provided a gist in the description as well, so open that and now copy this line, this program. So again, and now we should be able to do this. We need to specify a country name. I'm gonna press DK or Denmark because that's where I'm from. State is Fyn, locale is Odense. Organization name, I'm just going to say my name. Enter. Common name, it should be Nutri Tiger Narap. Email address, challenge password, and that's it. And we should have it in the C users Miko. So that's what we have here. I'm going to cut it and put it in my folder here, and just rename it to. And that's what we need to copy this CSR file that we have here. So we have two files. We have key file and CSR file. We need both. But first do this one. So we paste it here. Nutri Tiger app. Next. And we're going to use DNS based. Next, email, next, and then we have it. We just say submit, and now we click get record. Copy this, go to our DigitalOcean or wherever you have your server with Nginx. That's for Nginx only. And go to CNAME, enter host name, like so. Copy paste, and just copy this and paste it here. I don't know why it didn't work before. Now it works. So now create record. I'm going to pause the video till I get the email back. Okay guys, so it's been issued, the certificate, and here I can say download certificate. First I'm going to take this, put it here, delete, and now this we need. Take these, put them here. So we will need a few things, but first let's log into the server. And now I'm going to go, it's already running some apps, portfolio for example, which is written in Node.js and React. I'm allowed to for customers to buy my apps and try them out first to see if they want it. So here I'm going to say go to C var www search and just say vim nutri tiger app key, and just copy this, paste it, save it, and now vim nutritiger app.cert, and here we will need to open this with notepad, copy, paste, save, and now go to Nginx configuration. So vim etc Nginx sites available default. So here you can see I already have a certificate installed, and now here we need to delete everything here, so I'm going to delete. Okay. And now go back to our gist and copy this, and now nutri tiger app, save, service, Nginx, start, and now check if we have the certificate. So it's going to be nutri tiger app bad gateway, but we have the certificate. Connection is secure, and it's from Sectigo RSA domain validation secure server CA. So it's working. So basically we need to say, to make it work, we need to say cd var www nutri tiger server pm2 start nutri tiger. Here we go, and now we have the app working. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you for another tutorial.